Hiya, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of yours. And if you're new, hi, my name's Rosie. I generally upload videos a couple of times a week, lifestyle vlogs, hauls, that kind of thing. So if you are new to my channel, I would love if you could subscribe, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm on Instagram as well. If you'd like to give me a following over there, that would be very, very much appreciated. So today it's, well, what we're having for tea basically. Large UK family for those of you that are new to my channel. And yeah, obviously we don't always eat at the same time because life is lifing and life just takes over. You're currently staring at a chicken at the moment because it's Sunday. Excuse the kitchen. If you're an OG, you'll know that I'm decorating. I am in the middle of a kitchen reno. We're literally just, it's took us about a year to kind of like pick up the motivation just to do it because there's so much that needs doing. So yeah, please ignore the state of the kitchen so far. So today I'm just taking it back to basics and we're going to have a chicken dinner. I picked these up last week, I think about a week ago in my, yeah, it was on my channel about a week ago. But anyways, I picked these up from Aldi and they're just the extra tasty chickens. So the roast in the bag one, so like, well, we're going to have like 2 of those. We're just going to have some mash, some green beans, like a mixture of veg and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys are having for dinner today. And happy Sunday. Potatoes are ready. We're just gonna cook them up. Obviously my hubby's cooking today, so yeah. I'm having a little bit of a break because I'm doing the kitchen and he's cooking with reverse roles. Green beans, because everybody loves green beans in this house. Broccoli. In here we've got some carrots and parsnips. They're just, I won't open them because it'll kill us. Honey roasted, and then stuffing ready to go into another Pyrex dish, and yeah, the Yorkshires will go in. Everything's just cooking, well, everything's just going to get switched on at the moment. Ignore the paint on the cooker. Yeah, that's another job for me to do. Sorry, all you can hear is Sandra in the background. He's on his game. Right, Sunday dinner is served. So we've got Yorkshires, mash, veg, stuffing, and we're about to dish the gravy if anybody wants the gravy. There's only, how many of us are eating tonight? 6? Yeah, 6 because the girls don't want any and Marley's out. So yeah, that's his dinner tonight. Roast chicken, Sunday dinner. See you all tomorrow night. Hello my lovelies, it's Monday currently. Busy decorating, as you know. So my kitchen is just, yeah, forgive the mess, hopefully. Well, it's not a mess, but it's, yeah, it's upside down at the moment. So anyways, just tea tonight because I have been on my feet all day taking tiles and stuff off walls and cleaning up, and yeah, so I'm just doing mac and cheese, but I'm going to do a smoked sausage edition mac and cheese, paprika, all-purpose seasoning for a bit of flavour. I've got some mustard, macaroni, I need to get the milk out the fridge, I've got some butter, plain flour for the roux, well, for the cheese sauce. I always want to call it a roux for some reason. It's not a roux, it's like a, or is it a roux? Cheese sauce, anyways, yeah. I don't know what everybody else calls it, but I call it a roux. Well, it's not a roux because a roux doesn't have the cheese in it. I'll stop rambling, Rose. Right, so yeah, the plain flour for the cheese sauce. I'm just going to get on with it, my lovelies, because it's getting late and we usually have tea about 4:30, between 4:30 and, well, I'm going to say 4:30. I'm going to say between 5 and 5:30. And in all fairness, it's probably, yeah, getting to that now. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's a good job this is quick. The heavy breathing is Buddy. It's not me. Macaroni cooking away. paprika, butter and milk. And is it just me? Right, I had to come on and just say, but seriously, I remember these like a few years ago, and they were twice the size of this. Smoked sausage, Matheson's smoked sausage. In fairness, this isn't the Matheson's one, it's the just Aldi's own, but yeah, Matheson smoked sausage. I just remember it being twice the size of this, because as a kid, well, as a teenager, I used to absolutely love it, and I don't understand, obviously, yeah, inflation. Run over. Fresh out of the oven, you can actually hear that still sizzling. Plain macaroni cheese, sausage macaroni, well, smoked sausage macaroni cheese, yeah. I'm going to get this dished out, guys, because it's actually later than I thought it was. Kids are starving. I mean, they have had like a couple of snacks in between and stuff, but I didn't want them to have too much, because then obviously it's going to ruin their appetites. Jaden's not having this because he doesn't like cheese, so he's going to just have meatballs and macaroni pasta. It's quite difficult as well for Jaden, because obviously he doesn't really do tomato based either, so it's kind of, yeah, so he's just going to have pasta with meatballs. And this is what this is what the family's having tonight for tea. So take care, my lovelies. As I said, I'm going to get this dished out, and I shall see you all tomorrow. But yeah, good night. Afternoon, how's everybody doing today? Sorry, I'll just literally pause that dryer for a moment. Welcome to my upside down kitchen again. I still need to start obviously tiling and finish taking the towels off and stuff, so please excuse the mess. Tonight's tea, I'm just going to make a simple chicken casserole. I said I was taking it back to basics this week, so I've just got some potatoes. I've got some chicken breast that I need to use up, so instead of, because I usually use chicken on the bone because I find it cooks a lot better, but I haven't got any chicken on the bone, and instead of buying, I've pulled this out of the freezer and I'm just going to use the chicken breast. I've got some stock cubes, some carrots. I'm going to pop a butternut squash in because I need to use that up as well. An onion. I've got some corn flour to thicken up obviously the gravy and or the sauce, whatever you want to call it, and then I've just got like all my herbs and my spices, tomato puree, some black pepper, basil and oregano, because I haven't got any mixed herbs. I thought I did, and I've used all my fresh herbs, so yeah, that's out of the question. And then I've just got some chopped garlic because I'm being lazy, cumin, turmeric, aromat just in case, and then paprika, and yeah, my chicken stock cubes. And I'm just going to do it all in the slow cooker tonight, because then I can just pop it in, forget about it, and serve it up later when it's all ready. Chicken stew. It was meant to be a casserole, but I've just literally shoved everything in it, including the potatoes, so it's just turned into like a chicken stew. Kids, I've already dished theirs out. I'm about to dish Beth some out, see if Marley wants some. I'm going to dish mine out, and then my husband is still at work, so he'll have his later when he comes in. Kenzie's not in, so he'll get some later. I'm not sure if Beth wants any. I mean, I'm not sure if Megan wants any. I know Beth wants some, but the steam is sending my camera funny. And then I'm just going to serve it up with some bread. And that's tonight's tea. Just, yeah, chicken, potatoes, a few herbs and spices, and it's got an onion in it, a butternut squash, and that's tonight's tea. It's Wednesday, tonight's tea, so I'm doing cheesy mash with sausage and beans. Taking it right back to basics, my lovelies. Basically, yeah, I'm just tired. It's been a long week, decorating and stuff, or undecorating, whatever you want to call it. highlight of my day, obviously, yeah, is I'm using mash, pre-mash, because normally I would cook it, but look at that, is all I'm gonna say. Hence why I'm taking a little break from sorting the kitchen. There's a video due to come up as well, due to go live. It's part 1 of the kitchen renovation. If you want to watch it, it'll explain what's happened here. But tonight, obviously, tea-wise, is just cheesy mash, sausages. We've got Cumberland and Richmond. I'm going to do it with baked beans and gravy, if anybody wants gravy. So yeah, I'm going to crack on and I'll show you it all when it's finished and plated up. In all fairness, it's just easy, because I'm just going to pop this into a big bowl, put some milk and, well, I mean, it says creamy mash, so I'll probably just have to add some butter, add the cheese, warm it up. At the moment we're using the slow cooker and the oven still works, so I can put the cheesy mash into the oven. And then, yeah, we're using like the, oh God, what's it called? We're just using like the microwave and stuff like that, and the air fryer and things.
Slow cooker, air fryer, microwave.
Yeah, just the bits and pieces that we can use until this gets fixed. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on with it. Right, so sausages are in the air fryer. Do you know, I've had this air fryer for so long it still scares us, because I'm going to cook them in the air fryer and I'm going to have to watch it like a hawk, because if you've logged to my channel, you will know that when I air fry my sausages, I burn them, because yeah, this thing, as I said, still scares me. So wish me luck. I'll just stick them on air fry. I won't keep it on 200, I'll knock it down, I'll put it on 20 minutes. We'll go down, oh sugar, that's going up, we'll go down. I'll do 160, 20 minutes. I'll match it and then I'll just keep an eye on it. Yeah, wish me luck, my lovelies. Cheesy mash. Looks absolutely stunning. Be surprised what you can actually do with pre-cooked, well, pre-made mash. It tastes really nice as well. Beans, they were warmed up in the microwave. Sausages, I haven't burnt the sausages, my lovelies. I've done something really well. I'm chuffed with myself. And then Bisto gravy. This is the sausage Bisto gravy. This, if you've not tried it, honestly, it's really, really nice. Yeah, on my advice. If you've not tried it, go and try it, because it's, yeah, you'll like it. It goes really well with the sausage as well. Let's finish getting this dished up. That's actually done so well, honestly. Yeah, the cheese is just, you know, when it does that, like that runny kind of like cheese, and we usually have like a thick gravy in here. I like a thick gravy. There's the oven. So this is Lexi's. Oh wow, delicious. Xander's not having, I don't think Xander's having gravy, and just turn that cooker off because that's going to annoy me, let alone any of you. Yeah, so Xander's having cheesy mash, sausage and beans. Jaden won't have cheesy mash, so I just made his separately. So he's got mashed beans and sausage. Yeah, just a basic meal. That, because obviously I've not had my cooker top and stuff like that, I've had to like improvise, which in fairness has worked really well. I'm just really glad I've still got my oven. Otherwise everything could have been, it would have all had to have been made in the air fryer. So I'm going to continue I'm going to continue to dish this up. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a really nice week so far. Take care, stay safe, and yeah, I'll see you all soon for the next video. Bye.